This video you will learn about some common phrasal verbs with meaning and examples. Take off. Meaning to leave or depart, specially by airplane. The plane will take off in 20 minutes. Look forward to. Meaning to be excited about something in future. I look forward to seeing you again. Put off. Meaning to postpone or delay an action or event. We have to put off the meeting until next week. Look out. To be careful or watchful. Look out, there is a car coming. Break down. To stop functioning or fail to work properly. My car broke down on the way to work. Six. Bring up. To raise a topic or start discussion about something. He brought up an interesting point during the meeting. 7. Give up. To stop trying or to surrender. She refused to give up even in difficult situations. 8. Get along. To have a harmonious or friendly relationship with someone. They get along well with their neighbors. 9. Look through. To quickly examine something. I need to look through my emails to find the one with attachment. 10. Figure out. To solve or understand something. I want you to write your own example in the comment box. If you wish to improve your English level, then subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching. See you.